In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and manage your projects on Canva. Whether you're using Canva for personal projects, work, or school, these steps will help ensure you're getting the most out of your design experience. Let's dive right in. We're starting on the Canva homepage, which is your central hub for all design activities on Canva. Here, you can quickly access your past projects, begin new designs, and explore templates. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're here for the first time, or simply locate your profile icon if you're a seasoned user. Next, direct your attention to the left-hand side of your screen where you'll find the menu button. By clicking on this, you will unveil a drop-down list offering various options. This menu is your gateway to diving deeper into your design journey. Within this space, you can view recent designs easily, giving you the flexibility to jump back into a project at any time. This is especially handy if you're working on multiple designs or need to inspect a previous project's details and make quick adjustments. Once you've explored that section and are ready to proceed, it's time to select a specific project that you wish to work on. Click on the design thumbnail you wish to open. Canva will present the interface where you can edit every element of your design. On this page, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the editing tools to enrich your design process. To further manage your project, focus on the top menu and click on File. Within the File menu, you will find the Version History option. Selecting this option allows you to view and manage the different versions of your design. This is particularly useful if you need to revert to an earlier version or simply examine the progression of your project over time. It adds an extra layer of organization, making it easy to track changes and enhancements. Feel free to explore these phased versions and, if necessary, roll back to any previous state that fits your need best. Managing version history ensures that all your design choices are reversible and adaptable. Once you're satisfied with your project adjustments, congratulations, you've successfully navigated through Canva's project management features. Being adept at these steps can streamline your workflow, keep your projects organized, and most importantly, help you create designs that effectively communicate your ideas. And there you have it, a straightforward way to navigate through Canva, manage your design projects, and keep everything organized from start to finish. Thank you for following along, and be sure to check out more content for additional tips and tricks on maximizing your productivity with Canva. Until next time, happy designing.